Welcome back. We are still at the NURBURGRING and we are actually going to the hotel. We've checked in now. We just had to get our bags, put the numbers on the car, because like you see, that one has a number, they're putting a number on their car for the training. So we've already, we're gonna go up the stairs. So yeah, so we are actually now just going to go into our room in the hotel and get ready for the induction session at 16:30, and then after that I think we're gonna go on the track on a bus. So that's very exciting to learn the track. So now we are walking from the parking to the hotel. So see you guys at the hotel. Which one?
Which one you want?
I like the black one.
You like the black one?
Yeah. Wanna go here or which one do you want? Huh? Come see if you wanna go in that one.
Yeah.
Go see. You see?
Yeah.
Come see.
Good, come. No, you can take it.
There's one in front. There's one in front. Which side? This side or this side? Okay, so we are on the bus tour on the ring, and we're actually getting off, and we're gonna walk on the track. Danke. We're gonna walk on the track. So yeah, but anyways, yay! Can't see me anymore. But yeah, I'm excited. So yeah. Oh, it's actually quite light outside. The buses are leaving us. Okay, so the buses are leaving. I didn't know that the buses are gonna leave. And we're on the track. So we're actually walking on the Nordschleife, which is quite cool. The buses dropped us off. Hello.
Hello. Hola.
Hi.
Yoo-hoo.
Bye. So we're actually walking on the ring, like literally walking, which is quite cool because, oh yes, so I wanted to say that driving on the bus, you can actually feel like the road, like how the road is, because I think the bus is not driving very fast. So it's basically, you can feel like it going down and up, you can feel every bump. Whereas when you're driving in your car and you're like racing, right? It's a bit, you can't feel the road, like you can't feel like the inclines, the descents. And yeah, but guys, when they said walk, I thought we were going to be walking on the carousel, not here. Like, this is so far from the carousel. But anyways, I'm enjoying that we're actually walking on the actual racetrack, because it's always cool when you see it from afar. Anyways, let me run and join the group.
Leitlinien sind nicht gefährlich. Deshalb werden die auch kompetente Spezialisten an.
So they race and race and race and then they bring it here. They race and race and then they bring it here. Can I fit on your right, please?
Yeah. Okay. Evelyn is again. Even he drives your car if you want. But I don't want to drive my car.
Yeah, because then you are not going to be inside. Then you won't be inside. Okay.
Because it's your place on the other side.
Yeah, then you will not be inside because I will be in with the instructor. What do you want?